A lot of big channels are gonna hate me for doing this. But anyway, here we go. I'm gonna show you a method that can create studio quality 3D documentary style videos similar to these channels without spending thousands of dollars on a 3D artist. Just take a look at this and decide.
On December 2nd, 1993, the most powerful drug lord in history had fallen. A single gunshot echoed across the rooftops of Medellin, Colombia. For over a decade, he had ruled through fear, violence, and unimaginable wealth. He bribed politicians, terrorized governments, and built a criminal empire so vast that it supplied most of the world's cocaine market. His name was Pablo Escobar.
I created this video that you just saw with the help of AI. And big channels like Fern, Primal Space, and Deconstructed are using this same style of 3D documentary animations for their videos. But they spend around $2,000 per video on 3D artists and editors. But what if you can make the same style of 3D videos without spending a shit ton of money? Then you just clicked the right video. If you think that video you just saw is good enough, watch this video till the end, because this video is going to be a full course about how to make 3D documentary videos with AI. It all starts with a simple idea, but this idea has to be something that no one has done before. In that way, you can beat the competition. So the idea I selected for this video is how Pablo Escobar's empire fell. In a video like this, you need to keep the script as simple as possible, and it has to be a story. To understand this structure, the easiest thing you can do is to watch several videos from other channels and understand how they tell their stories. I gathered some information from the internet about this topic and created a basic script. Now, I'm going to use ChatGPT to make this script polished and better, but don't use AI to make the whole script. YouTube doesn't like that. Okay, let's take a look at the script. Every viral script has this structure, and I want you to do the same for your script. The video starts with a hook that's going to grab the viewer's attention so quickly. In this video, it's this part. On December 2nd, 1993, the most powerful drug lord in history had fallen. Then we need to give some context about this video, but it has to be interesting, and that part should make the viewer more curious. Then, we need to keep this curiosity throughout the whole video by adding things like, how did a man who seemed untouchable lose everything? I'm going to give you guys a formula for creating a script like this. You can get it from the link in the description for free. Okay, this is important. When it comes to using an AI voice for this, it has to be super realistic, and it should be perfect for storytelling. So I'm going to design a voice for this in 11 Labs. If you go to this Voices, you can find the Create Voice button, then go to the Voice Design feature. I'm going to remove this prompt and add the prompt I designed. If you want to get this prompt, I will leave this in the description or in the comment section. You can change this and use it according to your needs. Now we have 3 voice variations. After listening to these, I think this third version is better. So let's save it so that we can use it later. The rest of the process is simple. You just need to copy your script and generate the AI voice. We're going to do this part in 2 simple steps. First, we need to make a storyboard. I'm going to get help from ChatGPT for this part. First, let's make the storyboard for the introduction part of the script. Now, I have some 3D animation ideas on my mind, and I'm going to explain them so that I can get a sketch for the storyboard. This part is completely up to your imagination. According to the storyboard, we have 4 scenes. For the first scene, I'm going to be using this text animation, and let me show you how I made that. I used this free template from zlabs.io. I will leave the link in the description. You just need to select this free template and add the text you want, like this. Then you can easily create this animation. And you don't have to pay to download this, it's completely free. For the second scene in my storyboard, I'm going to create an AI animation similar to this. The style I'm going to be using is 3D Blender style. Let me show you how to create a simple and effective prompt to create this scene. First, we need to make the images. Then we can convert those into animations. The prompt is going to look like this. First, I added Medellin, Colombia. Then I added these details, such as the camera view I want. And also, I added these keywords: 3D render, game engine cutscene style, small textures. With these keywords, you can create 3D style images like this. The AI tool I'm using for this is called AI Video. It's an all-in-one AI tool that I can use to access all the AI models. I will leave the link in the description for this tool. Once you make the prompts, don't go straight to creating videos. The reason is that when creating the videos directly, we might not get the scenes exactly as we want, so it's just going to be a waste of credits. So it's better to create the images first and convert them into videos. Okay, now I'm just going to convert these two scenes into videos. For this process, make sure to use a powerful AI video model like Seedance or Kling. And remember to always use slow motion camera movements. For the first images, the prompt is going to be like this: slow motion camera movement, slowly zooming towards the city from above. This is the result I got. Now for the next image, I'm going to do the same. The hardest part is making the storyboard. After that, you just need to convert it into images and videos. So as you can see here, I have generated several scenes. This is going to cover the first 1 minute of our video. So I'm going to go to CapCut and let's start the editing process. I'm going to do this step by step so that you can easily understand how to do the edits. First, I'm going to add the voiceover. Then we can add the scenes according to that. The video is going to start with the text animation. For the next scene, I'm going to add this image I downloaded from Google. And let's add this green screen animation on top of it. I downloaded this animation from Vecteezy for free. To remove this green screen, go to this background option and select this chroma key feature. Then click this small eyedropper tool and select the green color in the video. It's going to remove this green screen. For the next scene, I'm going to add this map animation I created. And let's also add this bullet green screen video. Just like I did before, I'm going to remove the green screen. And let's make this bullet move from this side to the other side. For that, let's go to the starting point of this clip and move the bullet all the way back like this. And click this keyframe on the position to add a keyframe here. Then let's go over here and add another keyframe, but make sure to change the value of the x-axis, and it's going to look like this. Then I'm going to keep adding the other scenes into the timeline. I added all the scenes in the first minute. Now it's time to add sound effects to this video to make it feel like a documentary. For this part, you can use Pixabay or Epidemic Sounds to download sound effects. Let me show you how it's done. For this paper animation part, I added a camera shutter sound effect.
On December 2nd, 1990,
Then for this part, I added this sound effect of a boom.
most powerful drug lord in history had fallen.
For the bullet animation, I used a gunshot sound effect.
A single gun.
So yes, just like this, add suitable sound effects to this video. It's going to increase the quality of your video. Finally, you need cinematic background music with some tension. After adding that, this is how the intro of the video is going to look.
On December 2nd, 1993, the most powerful drug lord in history had fallen. A single gunshot echoed across the rooftops of Medellin, Colombia. For over a decade, he had ruled through fear, violence, and unimaginable wealth. He bribed politicians, terrorized governments, and built a criminal empire so vast that it supplied most of the world's cocaine market. His name was Pablo Escobar. At the height of his power, Escobar was earning millions of dollars every day. He had private armies, secret safe houses, and an army of loyal followers willing to die for him. To some, he was a ruthless murderer. To others, a hero who gave homes and hope to the poor. But on that December afternoon, none of it mattered. The money couldn't save him. The power couldn't save him. The fear couldn't save him. As Colombian special forces closed in on a modest house in Medellin, the king of the cocaine empire made one final, desperate attempt to escape.
That's exactly how you can create viral 3D documentary videos with AI. And with that, today's video has come to an end. I will see you guys in the next one.